Prime numbers are numbers that are greater than 1 and only divisible by 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number because a prime number has to be greater than 1. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. A factor is a number that can multiply into a number that you are looking for. An example of this is 10. 2 and 5 can multiply to 10. So 2 and 5 are a factor of 10. As in 12, 3 and 4 can multiply into 12. So 3 and 4 are a factor of 12. The greatest common factor of two numbers is a number that divides by both of them. To find the greatest common factor of the two numbers, put each factor out like such. The one that you are looking for is the one that appears last, that is in common with both of these. So 10 would be your greatest common factor here. Another example would be 4 and 12. List the factors and then find which one is the greatest common factor. Forgot 2, of course. 1, 2. Cannot be the ones that are over here. Has to be this one. The least common multiple between two numbers is the smallest multiple that is in common with another. To find the multiples, multiply each number by 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then organize them from least to greatest. After this, look at each set of numbers and determine which one comes in common first. This would be your least common multiple. Least common multiple versus greatest common factor. Least common multiple uses multiples to find the answer, such as 5 times 1, 5 times 2, and 5 times 3. As said with 3 as well, to get to your least common multiple, which is 15. Greatest common factor uses division to find its problems. Like, 12 divided by 12 is 1, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 times 1 is 12. Same as for 24. Once you get this, you will find your greatest common factor and least common multiple. Least common multiple looks for the smallest possible number, and greatest common factor is for the biggest common factor. My last topic I will cover in this video is about prime factorization. To do this, all you must do is try to simplify a number to get all prime numbers. You start with your top number that you're trying to simplify. First, multiply it by something that can go into it. It can be any number. After that, you can simplify those two numbers into even smaller ones. When they're prime numbers, stop multiplying that number and write it down here. However, don't stop if it is not prime. Remember, prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and itself.